Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the religions of Pakistani society. As you know, religion serves a very important purpose in the life of an individual. इंसान की ज़िंदगी में मज़हब का बहुत ज़्यादा मज़हब की अहमियत होती है और हम सब जानते हैं कि हम अपनी ज़िंदगी के बहुत से मकासद, अपनी ज़िंदगी की लाइफ आइडियोलॉजीज़ जो हैं वो मज़हब से डिराइव करते हैं। मज़हब जो है वो माशरे के अंदर ना सिर्फ कॉपरेशन सिखाता है बल्कि लोगों को रहन सहन के अतवार तरीके और उनकी एथिक्स और मोरालिटीज़ भी डेवलप करता है। पाकिस्तान की अगर हम बात करें तो जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं कि यहाँ का जो मेजर रिलीजन है वो इस्लाम है, जिसमें 96% ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन इज़ मुस्लिम इन दिस कंट्री, and we all know that we do enjoy and exercise the freedom of religion and religious practices. किसी को फोर्स नहीं किया जाता, किसी को अपने मज़हब के हवाले से जो है ऑफिशियली या इंस्टीट्यूशनली फोर्स नहीं किया जाता कि वो अपने मज़हब के ऊपर किस तरह से अमल करता है। And this is officially granted by the Constitution of Pakistan. And Islam, as we know that it is also the official religion of this nation state. And in this world, very few countries have the religion as its official life ideology. And if we talk about the religion and Islamic practices in Pakistan, you will find the religious institutions, which are the mosques, at every nook and corner of the country. If we talk about its sectarian division, we will see that the Sunnis are the major sect that counts for 76 or one third of the population, one third of the population of the Pakistan. And then we have the Shiites, which are estimated to be the 10 to 15% of the population. Although we don't consider the major sectarian divisions on the official level, but yet these sectarian divisions are very important from their practitioners' point of view. They do have the variation of their religious practices based on their sectarian orientations, and both sects endeavor to live with the peace and harmony in both rural and urban areas of the country. If we talk about the minorities of Pakistan, religious minorities in Pakistan, we will see that the 4% of the population belongs to these religious minorities, which include Christians, Hindus, Sikh, Zoroastrians, as well as Baha'i community. Here are few pictures of these religious minorities. You will find the Sikhs as well as Baha'is, and in the other pictures you will find Hindus as well as the other religious minorities.